In the stillness of an autumn evening, a moonlight garden comes to life, a place imagined in silver and white. Even under the daylight, each flower seems touched by moonlight. Every leaf, every bloom holds a quiet glow, soft as a sigh. This is where the season slows its breath, and beauty turns serene. Hellebores lift their pale blooms with gentle poise, unfazed by the chill of autumn air. Nearby, white asters spread like tiny stars scattered across the garden floor. Japanese anemones rise above them on tall, slender stems, their petals fluttering lightly, graceful even in stillness. In this soft light, each flower becomes a reflection of calm. Camellias open their white, layered blooms, elegant and timeless. Their petals seem to hold the memory of moonlight. Around them, Artemisia and Cineraria shimmer with silver foliage, their soft textures catching the breeze. Even in the brightness of day, they keep the cool mystery of the night alive. Lamb's ear lines the paths like soft silver velvet, leading the way through calm spaces. White cosmos sway gently, their petals light as air. And Viburnum, with its clustered blooms, adds quiet structure, a balance of strength and grace. Together, they create a garden that seems to hum with gentle light. Close to the earth, white cyclamen bloom delicately, their petals turned upward like tiny candles. Between them, fallen autumn leaves add a touch of gold and rust, warmth against the silver and white. Each texture, each shadow, tells its part of the story, a dialogue between season and light. Step back, and the garden unfolds, clusters of white flowers, swirls of silver foliage, all moving softly in the breeze. Hellebores beside cosmos. Viburnum among Camellias. Cineraria and Artemisia weaving gentle silver threads between them. The harmony feels quiet, almost eternal, as though the garden itself is breathing slowly beneath an unseen moon. This is the heart of the autumn moonlight garden, a dream of calm and balance, where white flowers and silver leaves hold the light in their own way. Even in the day, you can sense the night's touch, a whisper of moonlight lingering among the blooms.
You keep turning heads when you walk by. If they only knew you left me blind. You don't even notice their starry eyes, 'cause you are looking straight into mine. Yeah, you could have anyone you want, but I'm the one who gets to take you home. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through and